Over the past few months, everyone's been talking about YouTube automation. I personally run a few faceless channels that bring in over $10,000 a month just from ad revenue, without ever showing my face on camera. Now, here's the real question. If you could build a channel with AI alone, no hiring, no outsourcing, and hit $10,000 a month, wouldn't you at least give it a shot? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to make it happen. And I'll even share a real example, a motivational channel that reached $10,000 in under 6 months. So, if you want to build a successful channel with zero extra cost and only free tools, stick around until the end. Step 1. Creating your channel. First things first, let's set up the channel. It's super simple. Head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture, hit Switch Account, and then select Create a Channel. Now comes the fun part, picking a name. If you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT for ideas. A simple prompt will give you tons of creative names in your niche. Pick one, and you're good to go. Next, you'll need a channel description. Again, ChatGPT has you covered. Ask it to write one for you and paste it in. For your profile picture, you've got 2 options. Use Canva to design a clean, simple logo, or generate a professional-looking image with an AI tool like Leonardo. Step 2. Writing the script. This is the heart of your video, the script. Without a strong script, your video won't take off. Here's the trick. Look at the most popular videos in your niche. For example, if you're making a video on how to achieve anything you want, take that idea, feed it to ChatGPT, and ask for a full casual script. And remember, in niches like motivation, the sweet spot for video length is 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Voiceover. Once you have the script, it's time for the voice. I recommend using 11 Labs. Copy your script paragraph by paragraph, generate the voice, and download it. Doing it in chunks makes editing smoother and the narration sound more natural. Step 4. Creating visuals. Now we need visuals to match the audio. Ask ChatGPT to create image prompts for you, then drop those into Leonardo. Make sure the format is 16 by 9. If you want to make things more dynamic, use tools like Pixverse to animate those images into short clips, so your video doesn't feel static. Step 5. Adding background music is key for setting the mood. Go to Pixabay, download free tracks, documentary or motivational styles work great, and layer them under your voiceover. Step 6. Editing and combining everything. Time to bring it all together. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import your audio, visuals, and music. Lower the background music so it doesn't overpower your voice. Sync the clips with your narration. Add transitions between clips. And for a professional touch, turn on auto captions. Step 7. Thumbnails. Never underestimate the thumbnail. It's the #1 factor for clicks. Use Canva, pick a bold layout, add a high-quality image, and place your title in large, clear text. The simpler and clearer, the better. Step 8. Upload and publish. Now upload your video in YouTube Studio. Add your description, tags, and thumbnail, then hit publish. Pro tip: rename your video file with the same title before uploading. It helps with SEO and ranking. Step 9. Monetization and growth. Here comes the fun part, making money. Of course, you'll earn from YouTube ads, but don't stop there. Add affiliate marketing into the mix. Head over to ClickBank, grab a product related to your niche, and drop the link in your description. Sometimes, these links can make you more money than ads themselves. And that's it. This is the exact system I use to build faceless YouTube channels. If you follow these steps, you can do the same. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.